afternoon, beautiful and dynamic learners at home. Coming to you live from Diction Impact. Concern today is Diction Clinic, and I remain your host, Mistress Gina. Today on Diction Clinic, we're learning letters of the English alphabet with the body language. So I hope you catch fun with me. So come along. First, we look at the vowel letter A. Vowel letter A. You call it A, not E. A. And the sound of the letter A is air. You don't say ah, but you say air. Air as in apple. You don't call it apple, you call it apple. Apple. One more time. Apple. That is very good of you. And we have the second letter of the alphabet called B. B. B is sounded as B. B. As in ball. Ball. Very good. And the next letter is letter C. Call it again. C. And C is sounded as K. Sound it again. K. As in cake. Cake. You don't call it cake. No. But you call it what? Cake. You pull it, you stress it. Very good, because it's a long sound. And here we have the letter D. My letter D sound as D. I point to my door and I sound D. D as in what? Duck. Duck. A duck is an animal. You don't call it dog. You call it duck. Beautiful. You're doing very well. Next we have the vowel letter E. Vowel letter E is sounded as E. Again, E. As in what? Egg. Again, egg. That is beautiful of you. And next we have, what do we have here? We have letter F. Everybody say F. F sound what? As in what? Fish. Call it again. Fish. Call it again. Fish. Wow. You're drilling your tongue very well. Lovely. Next we have the letter G. My letter G sounds as G. Louder, G. And G as in grapes. Louder, grapes. That is thoughtful of you. Next we have the consonant letter H. And my letter H sound again as in house. One more time, house. That is good. Now we have letter J. Call it J. You don't call it J. You call it what? J. J sound J. Again, J. As in jug. One more time, jug. Oh my, you are so good. And next we have letter I. Letter I sound E. Letter I sound E. Every letter got a sound, the I sound E. Wow. E as in ink. As in what? Ink. That is good. Now I have ice cream here. My ice cream is giving me the long letter I as in I. So I'm not using this example. I use ink. Okay, take note of that. Now we have letter K. 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 You don't call it K, but K. Good. K sound K. Again, K. Now take note that letter C and letter K is giving you the same sound and same body language as in K. As in kite. Call it kite. Everybody, kite. You don't say kite. You call it what? Kite. Lovely, lovely accent. Now next we have letter L. My letter L sound letter L sound as in lamp. As in what? Lamp. Very good of you. And next we have letter M. Letter M. M sound what? Say it again. As in milk. Milk. Next, you don't say milk, you say milk. And next we have letter N. N sound as in nose. Call my nose again. Nose. Call it again. Nails. You don't say nose. Now we have letter L. My letter L sound ah. Put your thumbs together and release the sound ah. Say that again. Ah. That sound is coming from your lower abdomen and it ends here at your glottal. So you call it ah. Again. Ah. There is free flow of air from your organs. Okay. So as in what? Orange. Again. Orange. Good. You don't call it orange. No. You call it what? Orange. Next we have letter P. My letter P sound is P. P. Say that again. P. As in what? Pencil. Everybody? Pencil. One more time. Pencil. No more should you call it pencil. Pencil. You don't call it pencil, but you call it what? Pencil. Good. Next we have letter Q. Letter Q sound again, again, as in what? Quail again, quail again, quail. Oh, beautiful. You are doing impressively well. And next we have letter R. Don't call it R anymore. R is a wrong pronunciation. You say ah. Open your mouth loud. Ah. Open it again. Ah. Let there be free flow of the air from your abdomen to your what? To your throat. Do you understand? So you say ah. And the sound is what? Now, when you're sounding the ah, your sound obstruct the air from flowing, and that's why you have coming out of your mouth. So you don't open your mouth to sound, but you open your mouth to call the letter. The letter is ah. You can see my mouth, ah, and the sound is see, my tongue is obstructing the air from flowing. Next we have the letter S. Everybody say S. S. Good. And the letter S sound as what? Sound with me. And that sound is found in a word example such as strawberry. Call it again. Strawberry. You don't say strawberry. You call it what? Strawberry. Very good. And next we have the consonant letter T. T. Again. T. T sound what? Show me your time, everybody. T, again, t, again, t. Very good. Found in examples such as toys. Say it again. Toys. Lovely. You're doing very well, I must say. And here we have letter U. Now put your thumbs together, together, together. Put your thumbs together and sound this ah. And sound this ah. My letter U sound ah, again, ah, again, ah. So in a word example such as this, you don't call it umbrella. Rather, you call it what? Umbrella. Again, umbrella. Why? Because the letter U sound ah. Oh, I hope you're learning something. And next we have letter V. V sound. Everybody say as in van. Call it again. Van. You don't call it van. You call it what? Van. Very good. Next we have W. Say again. W. You don't call it W. No. Say what? W. W sound what? Again. Again. As in what? Water. Say water. Very good. And you can also have watch. Again, watch. Again, watch. Very good of you. And next we have the letter X. My letter X sound X. Look at my shoulders. Okay, do like this and sound it X. Everybody, X. Everybody, X. Very good. And your X is found in words examples such as fix, mix, bix, and so on. Now this cannot be used because it's not a good example for that sound. So we have the Z taking the place of the X here. You have xylophone and not xylophone. So we cannot use this. Hope you understand. And next we have letter Y. Letter Y sound ye. Say again, ye. Say again, ye. As in what? Yellow. Everybody, yellow. Again, yellow. That is beautiful. And lastly, we have the letter Z. Letter Z sound z, z, z. As in zebra. Again, zebra. Very good of you. Now, I hope you've learned something in today's class. Remember, this is Diction Clinic, and I have more and more to teach you on this station. Now, try to hit that subscribe button to get more of our videos. Now, before I go, I'd like you to take everything all over again with your body language. Let's see how much you've learned today. Are you ready? Very good. So, letter A sound what? Air. Air, as in what? Apple. B sound what? B. As in what? Ball. My C sound what? K. As in what? Cake. And the letter D sound what? D. As in what? Duck. Letter E sound E. Say that again. E. As in what? Egg. Don't forget that egg you love to eat every day. And the letter F sound what? Show me your body language. As in what? Fish. Remember? And letter G sound G. Point your gun to the air and shoot it loud. G. As in what? Goat. Very good. And letter H sound. Everybody. Again. You take in the air. You exhale it out. Okay? And example is house. Very good. And letter I sound A again. A again. A. As in ink. Letter J sound J. My J sound J. As in jug. Letter K sound K. Remember I said letter C and K gives you the same sound and the same body language. So we have K. As in what? Kite. And letter L sound Show me your tongue. As in what? Lick. Very good. Letter L sound what? Am I correct? Oh no. What did the letter L say? It says what? As in what? Lick. Very good. M sound what? Again. As in mommy. Very good. My letter N sound as in what? No. No. Very good. And letter L sound again. Again. As in orange. Very good. And letter P sound P again. P, as in what? Pencil. Good. And letter Q sound release it again. As in what? Quill. Very good of you. And letter R sound R. What are you doing? I am running. Sound it again. R. 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 As in run. And letter S sound S. As in what? Simple. As in what? Soil. As in snake. And so on. And letter T sound T. Again T. Very good. As in time. U sound what? As in umbrella. V sound V. As in what? Van. W sound W. As in what? Water. And watch. And X sound X. X. As in Bix. As in fix. As in mix. Thank you. And the letter Y sound E. As in yam. As in yatch. And the letter Z sound Z. As in what? Zebra. As in what? Zebra. Thank you very much. Until I come your way again. Now, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much. Bye.